So one of the things that you can do in VLC Media Player is record video from your webcam as well. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto View and enable the advanced controls so I see the record button right here. So now in order to go ahead and access what I'm seeing from my webcam, I'm going to go to Media right here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto Open Capture Device right here. Once I do that over here in capture mode, I'm going to go ahead and select Direct Show, and here in the device I'm going to choose my webcam. In my case, I'm going to select the Droid cam right here, click on the play button, then I will be able to go ahead and see this right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and decrease out the volume right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go ahead and start recording. So here's my mouse right here, as you can see, just like this. So let's just go ahead, and to record it, I'm going to go ahead, get out of the full screen, and then I'm going to go ahead, hit the record button right here, just like this. So now once you do that, the video starts getting recorded. So this is what you have right here. So now you can simply go ahead and hit the record button again to pause the recording out right here. And now over here in your videos folder, you will be able to see your recorded footage. So if I were to go ahead and bring that in, now you can see the video footage is there, just like that. So now it is showing upside down because I actually recorded upside down right here, but this is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. And then you can go ahead over here onto the tools right here, onto effects and filters. Let's just go around over here onto video effects right here, and then go around over here onto geometry, rotate this out right here. Let's say, for example, right here, just like this, and there you go. So now you can see that this is what you have right here, and you got this video just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and then use VLC to record from webcam as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.